Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my minted box for this month, March. And this is going to be my last minted box for a while. I've spent quite a bit of money recently with some of the beauty events going on, and we're going to be traveling soon. So I thought this was an expense that I could cut out for a few months. I'm sure that I will join back up because I do like this subscription a lot. It's the only one I currently have. And now let's get to what's inside. So I like that it's not your typical box that has the lid that just removes. It has a ribbon, piece of ribbon, so you can open the box. It has a magnetic closure. And it always has a theme. Make sure you can see it. It always has a theme and it always has a booklet with information and a pretty ribbon to go with the color scheme. So this month, the theme is Spring Clean. And I'm gonna open this. Okay, so in this little pamphlet, this booklet that comes every month with it, it will show you the different things that you receive, and it will give you a description of the product as well as how to use it. It also gives you the full-size price, although I think it might be British pound, and I have no idea what that would be for American. So first product up is the Omorovicza Elemental Emulsion. This is perfect daily hydrator for those with oily combination skin types. Yay, that would be me. But I still need hydration and moisture. Is it serum? It says after cleansing, apply to face and neck. So it's morning and evening, I guess. So I love the inside of the Omorovicza. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. The Omorovicza boxes, they're so pretty. Love the packaging, and that's important to me. So here's what the bottle looks like. It's very pretty. And I'm going to put that back away in a little bit. Okay, so the next item is the, let me find it in the booklet. Oh, I skipped a page. Okay, now, again, this is a brand, I don't know that I'm going to pronounce it correctly, but it's the Summon Refining Facial Polish. Watermelon and ginkgo biloba. And it says it gently exfoliates, hydrates, and soothes. Several other things. It's for all skin types. Apply a small amount to dry skin, firmly massage for a minute, and rinse off with warm water. So easy enough, right? And this looks like, oh, pretty color. Okay, next up is the Amly Botanicals Radiance Boost Facial Mist. Of course, you spray it on your face and your neck. Breathe deeply to allow the aromatic oils to envelop and stimulate the senses. Okay, I can tell I'm going to love this product already. This is supposed to, I guess, clarify and heal. it has a lot of really good products or ingredients in it. Wildflower Meadow in East Sussex. The silver rich spring water, which is known for clarifying and healing properties. Organic flowers, hedgerow fruit, native herbs, oils of neroli, jasmine, rose otto, chamomile, linden blossom, and frankincense. It's strengthened with high concentrated moisture boosting hyaluronic acid and scientifically proven skin perfecting copper peptides and nourishing plant probiotics. Okay, I've been wanting to try something with copper peptides, so this will be great. I'll be definitely be using that. And then the other item is Magic Stripes Hyaluronic Intensive Treatment Mask. And there are 3 of the masks in here. It's a hydrogel mask with hyaluronic acid, highly concentrated, high quality essences, and it looks like it's in 2 parts because, yeah, it is, because it says place the upper part of the mask on your upper part of the face. And obviously you're going to put the bottom half on the bottom, right? So I think, okay, so that's it. This month there were 4 products. It varies. Sometimes there are 4 products, sometimes there's 5. But this is a great value. It's about $100. It costs about 100 American dollars, or US dollars, a month. I usually get a 3-month subscription and it's about $300. So that way I just pay it all at once. This is my last box for this subscription. So like I said, I'm going to be canceling it, but I will pick it up at another point. I received several beautiful mists and some cleansers, some lip balms, lots of really good products. They're brands that I probably either wanted to try or products, or maybe I've never heard of them. That's what I love about this box is, yes, it has some luxury brands or high-end brands, and I may not have tried the products otherwise. So this has been great for me. I've really enjoyed this. So like I said, I'll probably pick it back up in a few months after things settle down. And if you subscribe to this box, I would love to know your thoughts. If you are interested in it, I'm going to put the link to their website down below. And there's not any benefit for me. It's just really a convenience for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope press the thumbs up like button. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, I would be honored if you would consider doing so. And if you do, you'll notice there's a bell right next to the subscribe. After you hit the subscribe, there's a little bell right next to it. And if you hit that, it'll let you know it'll notify you when I post new videos. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.